Hi, everybody. This week we are going to be working on theme in Dear Mr. Henshaw. So I'm going to teach you about theme by looking at my screen here so you guys can follow along. Theme is all about what's the message. It's an idea or message that recurs over and over and over again in a story, a book, or a movie. There can be major themes and there can be minor themes. A major theme would answer the question, what is the story all about? It is the message that comes through the story many times and in many different ways. So if we think about superhero movies, they're usually all about good defeating evil. That would be the main theme of Superman, Spider-Man, Wonder Woman, all of those movies. There are also usually some minor themes in these movies too. Usually there's a love story or a friendship issue. Sometimes the main character struggles with making tough choices or doing the right thing. All of those would be minor themes. So some common themes that happen are in every good story, it makes readers or movie watchers think about things that they also struggle with. Those are the themes. And some common things that you usually find in stories, themes are feeling accepted, having or keeping friends, loneliness, honesty, having power, right versus wrong. There's family issues or perseverance, which means not giving up when things are hard. So we're going to take a look at the clip of the trailer from Alexander and the Terrible, Horrible, No Good, Very Bad Day, which you may have seen before. And I want you to think about, what do you think the themes are in this movie?
Anthony, I feel like no one understands me.
Come on, you're amazing.
Think I'm amazing?
Don't get me started on that cute little butt of yours.
What?
What?
You're so annoying.
Why can't you just chill out?
Are you kidding?
What's your problem?
For Alexander, life couldn't get worse.
I can't believe Elliot texted photoshopped pictures of me to the whole school. Nice boobs, Alexander. My black book! Unbelievable.
For his family, life couldn't be better.
I got a call today. I have an interview for a game design firm.
You could be looking at the new vice president of Lone Hill Press.
Once I get my license tomorrow, I kind of have everything I've ever wanted. Hashtag blessed, you know?
But one day can change everything.
Shouldn't you guys be up?
Does anyone know where the diapers are?
Coming in for a razor, honey.
Whoa, get out of here!
Sorry.
Hey man, guys are ready for you.
Here you go. First, we thought it was a little weird that you even applied for this job because we're pretty young and you're older. Space is all green.
It's not poisonous. I don't think it's poisonous.
I'll be your driving examiner.
My girlfriend probably won't start prom. We never answer the phone when I'm driving.
Proms don't happen every day.
Hey, Celia.
Put the phone down!
You tricked me!
Get out!
I don't think you passed.
This day is so cursed.
You are not passing the blame on this
It
one.
was her fault.
I don't feel bad.
Stop! I think that you just gotta have the bad days so you can love the good days even more. Trust me, I would know.
We are not going to let this day get the better of us. Are we ready, Coopers?
Yes!
Let's go, Wreck-It Ralph.
You have no idea the kind of day we are having.
Is that Pirates Boss?
Yes, it is!
That is so dope.
Drop the girl!
Call 911!
I still have me arms!
Alexander and the Terrible, Horrible, No Good, Very Bad Day.
One of the kangaroos got out.
I am on it! Hey, party cake!
Okay. So themes in Alexander. What do you think this movie is going to be all about? So some of the things that I think you've noticed, or you should have noticed in that clip, is having a bad day, facing it with positivity, family, getting along with each other, and then pushing through bad times, also perseverance. So as we read our book this week, I want you to think about the themes that are occurring in our book.